Good afternoon. Today on Customer States what? Customer states my floor is wet, and while you're there, perform multi-point inspection. Say no more. So we got a 2019-ish RAV4 with roughly 25,000 miles on it. So we're gonna look around. Brake fluid's a little low, but it's looking clean. Battery's looking clean, and it tests good. Engine air filter was inspected, and it is good. Oil, let's see. Alright, looking good. I already topped off the washer fluid, and the coolant is already at level. So let's go into the interior. Is the floor wet? Is she wet, guys? Oh, I can tell you. Oh, God, the car smells like mold. This is a mold vehicle, and oh yeah. We are soaked. So we already took it up top, guys, and we know that the AC drain is not leaking. The AC drain is draining, but not for nothing. We got something else on the car that's not draining, causing this. Now, usually the AC drain, when that clogs up, the passenger side will be soaking wet. In our case, it is wet, but it's not as wet as the passenger side. See, we got some moisture. Oh, we got some mold going in here. This might be a ServPro car. Alright, guys. I'm going to take this camera to the top of the vehicle, and I'm going to show you what happened. Alright, guys, we're at the top of the vehicle. We took it all the way up top, and I poured some water in, and look at that. We got some standing water, and we got a bunch of debris and dirt blocking our sunroof drains. Both sides. Both sides. So what happens is the water will build up in the sunroof tray, and it's not able to go anywhere but out the tray. And out of the tray is inside the car. So what happens is the water will go down the A-pillar, down in here, and get all this soaked. Let's see. Let's see. Oh God! Look at that. We're underwater. We are underwater. Oh, this interior has to come out, guys. This entire interior has to come out. Wonderful. Alright, guys, so we filled the tray with water, and we have this snake tool. It's actually a Lexus special tool, but we have it here. And we're going to stick this into the drain. We're going to see this water just start to drain. But what we do here is we'll extend the snake right and really get up in there. So let's see. It's just like a plumber snake. We're going a little further. So this is how we usually do a sunroof drain clog. We do it to how many ever drains there are for the vehicle. Let's hold that there. Let's pour a little bit of warm water in there. And then after we get good water flow, we'll actually put some hot soapy water down there. Get it all soapy, guys. Giggity. And we'll shoot some compressed air in there to blow out whatever debris in. Well, whatever debris out, actually. We got water coming out? Oh, yeah, you do. Very good, very good. That means we got some flow going. So we'll do this to all the drains.
Oh, it smells like mold.
Yeah, it's a bad one, guys. It's a bad one. Even the apprentice don't like the smell. Alright, guys, we're going to do the same thing to the driver's side. Got a lot of dirt in here, though. Get that all the way in. Work it in and out. Oh, somebody got the welder going a couple bays over. Let's see, how's that gonna drain? Is that gonna drain right out? Oh yeah, it's draining. Very good, guys. Very good. Let's get that snake out. Nothing on the tip. That's always a good thing. Alright, so let's get some hot soapy water and throw it down both of these tubes. Alright guys, we got the soapy water. So what this actually will do is we're just trying to clean the tray of all the dirt and debris that has built up over the time of the vehicle. And we're going to inform the customer to be aware of where they park, because this will just happen again. We'll give it a wipe down also. But now we know that the drains are draining outside the car, not inside the car. And how do we know that? There's our soap. Alright, very good guys. Now we are at the point where the tray is cleaned. We know that the drains are in fact draining now. So we're going to throw some hot water with soap down there and a little bit of compressed air to get any other leftover debris that might be in that drain tube. As you can hear, it's draining pretty well. But this is just to ensure that we're getting a really good flow, or the best flow we can possibly get. You hear that, guys? That's the sound of victory. Let's do the other side now. Alright guys, we're on the passenger side now. I mean, excuse me, we're on the driver's side now. Oh, it's still a little slow, but it's going. Oh, no, there it goes. You can hear it. You can hear it going. Now let's get some. Very good. Now we know for a fact that they're draining, they're flowing, the tray is clean. All we got to do now is inform the customer, and it actually might be an insurance job, and we're all said and done because we got the fishbowl, we got the swamp, we got the mold, we got the mildew. Oh yeah, look at all that. Look at all that. God, it stinks. So what's going to have to be done, we're going to have to replace the carpets, we're going to have to replace the jute pads underneath, and if it's really bad, we may have to scrape up the sound deadening and get Surf Pro in here to do a whole fog service, and pray that it's good after that. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do, well, we got some drainage right there, very good. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.